Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Element Messenger display name step by step. Your display name is the name other people see in chats and rooms, making it easier for friends, teammates, and community members to recognize you. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Once you're on the main screen, tap or click your profile icon to open your account menu. Next, select Settings or Profile Settings, depending on the version of Element you're using. Look for the display name field in the profile section. Now, click or tap the display name field and enter the new name you want other users to see. I mean, you can use your real name, a nickname, or another recognizable name that follows the rules of your home server or organization. After entering your new display name, click Save, Update, or simply close the field if the changes are saved automatically. Wait a few moments while Element synchronizes your updated profile across the Matrix network. To make sure everything worked correctly, open one of your chats or ask a friend to confirm that your new display name is visible. If the old name still appears, refresh the app or allow a little more time for the update to propagate across connected servers, and that's it. You now know how to change your Element Messenger, display name, and personalize your Matrix profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.